Well, there's one thing for sure. In life, we all need energy. To do absolutely anything, to move, make a cup of tea, all these things need energy. And energy can come in a wide variety of different forms. It's really important for your test that you know some of the most common ones. First of all, light. We need it to see, and plants need it for photosynthesis. So luminous objects, including the sun, give out light, our first form of energy. Potential energy means stored energy. Energy can be stored in different ways. Lifting something up is a way of storing gravitational potential energy. Anything that can fall or move down has a certain amount of gravitational potential energy which it can transfer at a later date. Energy can be stored chemically in food, fuel, or batteries. Elastic potential energy is another subgroup, for example, in a rubber band or spring. So there are three types of potential energy: gravitational, chemical, and elastic. Another form of energy is sound, created by any vibrating object. Our most convenient form of energy is electrical. Hundreds of appliances at home or in industry need electricity to work. So, a battery or a generator in a power station are sources of electrical energy. Thermal energy or heat energy is next. Anything hot like this water or burning coal produces heat, thermal energy. So let's just run through what we have already. So far, we have light energy from the sun and other light sources, sound energy from vibrating objects, electrical created from generators, and thermal heat energy from hot or warm objects. Let's have a look at a few less obvious ones. This moving car has kinetic energy, and the faster it moves, the greater its kinetic energy. So any moving object has kinetic energy. And finally,
what do these have in common? A jack-in-a-box, a battery, and food. Well, all these contain stored energy ready to be released, and we call this potential energy. The jack-in-a-box contains a spring, and by compressing the spring, energy is stored. So, if I open this catch, the stored energy in the spring is released. Let's add these to our list.
So, to continue with our list. So far we have light, sound, electrical, and thermal. We can now add kinetic energy, energy of a moving object. And finally, potential energy. This is stored energy which is ready to be released. What forms of energy does a burning candle give out? If you need to think about it, why not stop the program, or you can carry on for the answer. So what forms of energy does a burning candle give out? Well, there's light, heat, and sometimes sound, so 3 different forms of energy. How did you get on? If you weren't sure, why not rewind this section and go through the different energy forms again?